Hi, I'm Kenny from Ecowagon. I'm here today to show you our entry-level conversion, the Classic. This particular model's got the factory fitted seats. They're quite simple to swivel. There's a little lever at the front here. Just push it to the side, twist, round it goes. The driver's side is a little bit more complicated. If you've got a DSG van, then always put it in park. If you've not got a DSG van, put it in gear. Release the handbrake. You have to wind the back of the seat forward, turn, and if it catches anywhere, you just need to move it forward. Push the armrest down, turn, and then you just wind the seat back, like that. It doesn't twist all the way around, but it twists around enough for 4 people to sit in the van. This is the West Hubs roof. We fit standard to the Classic conversion. I mean, they're a great little roof. In our opinion, they're the best UK manufactured roof you can get. We only fit the best products. This is how they go up. We've got 2 straps here, either side. Pull them out like that. You loosen the straps. Like that. Like that. You've got a strap here that helps pull the canvas in. You undo that. And then just push up. And up it goes on its own on gas struts. Roof bed inside here. This is our own roof bed that we make in gloss white. Then that just pushes up like that. You've got 2 windows at the side here. Pull them out and you've got fly screen there. Same that side, and then this side at the front. You've just got a little window to view out. Quite neat little straps here to fold on the canvas, excess canvas. There's an elastic strap here when you're pulling the roof down, so you always need to put that in before, because that's what helps pull the canvas in. All our vans come with little map lights in the roof. You've got a little map light there that's adjustable for lighting when you're up there. It's dimmable. It's got 3 settings as well, which is quite good. You've got your Ecowagon control panel in here, which has got your isolation for your USBs, which are here. You've got your water pump isolation for your sink, your fridge, and then a main switch for your lights as well, to switch on and off. You've got your lights here are little dimmers, so you press and hold that, press and hold, it will dim, and then when you switch it on and off, it will come on at the setting that you've last left it at, which is quite a neat little touch. And then your lights on this side are on a little dimmer here as well, so you press that, keep your finger on it, it dims down, and then it'll come back on at the stage you've kind of left it at. You've got a voltmeter here telling me how your battery's done. It's also fitted with a Victron Bluetooth 240 charger for when you're on 240 hookup. That you can download an app for that, and that will tell you how your battery's doing and other information like that. Well, this is your Ecowagon diesel heater. It's on a 7-day timer. You can either press it and it'll just come on for 30 minutes, or you can set it to come on, say 7 o'clock in the morning for an hour, same as you would with your household central heating system. You've got a fire alarm here for carbon monoxide, gases, etc. This fan's fitted with a Dometic slimline hob sink. You've got 2 little burners here. Just press and you've got your gas there to ignite it, same there. And then this side you've got your sink, your little tap, all 12 volt, works. Gets its water supply from the back. The waste just comes out the bottom, where you can put a waste tank to catch any wastewater. This is a Classic model which has come standard with an opening window on this side, and normally they have a fixed window on this side, but this one we've upgraded, the customer's upgraded to have an opening window both sides. Which is quite nice, because depending on where you park, the breeze, whatever else, it works great. This van's fitted with their own brand of fridge. They're a neat little fridge basically. You've got your on-off button there, press and hold, switch it on, switch it off. And then once it's on, you've got your three settings there, where you can have it either as a freezer or a chiller, whatever you want basically. The ice box in there to keep your ice for your G&Ts, etc. These units, the classic model, they've got some similarities to the Expo and Expo Plus. They're just basically a little more simply made, but you've still got the exact same quality, just at a more affordable price. Classic comes as standard with the smart bed. These are a great little bed. They're made just up the road in Somerset. We've been using them for what, 10 years now. Never really get any issues with them. Fantastically made. They come standard with a recline system, whereas you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings, which is quite nice when you just sat relaxing. You lean back, great. To operate them, you just pull it forward on this lever at the front. It's sometimes good to just pull the seat belts just so you've got a bit of slack. Pull them so far and then jump on it, down they go. You've got a nice big flat bed then, which is really good and quite comfy. You can upgrade to memory foam, etc. There's quite versatile. There's lots you can do with them, you know. In addition, there's a little button there. Just press that and it just pops up and glides into position, just like that. At the back in the smart bed, you've got a little perch there. It's great for popping your kids on to take wellies off, whatever else. You've got more storage in here in the back. In here you've your water supply, it's 12 litre water supply. You just unscrew the cap, pull it out, you've got a spare cap on there, pop it on, fill it up, put it back in, simple. Bed down first. Then you've got two handles, you just pull that down. While you're pulling it down, you're just going to make sure your canvas is pulling in all the way around. Then you have to do a little spin. Turn around here, pull your canvas in, pull it down the rest of the way, like that. Then you've got your straps here. You just pull your straps, push your canvas back out the way a bit. They are a little bit fiddly, but they're the most practical solution to holding the roof down and the safest as well. Just pull that, and then stuff your excess just up in here. Put the wing, and then same this side. It's been great to show you this van today. It's worth saying that this classic conversion can be upgraded to anything that's on our Expo conversion as well. So you can put solar panels on it, underslung, rail beds, Remo roof. I mean, the world's your oyster with these conversions. If you're interested in a conversion, then pop on our website www.ecowagon.co.uk, have a look or give us a call. We always answer the phone. Nice to meet you. Bye.